Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you run or manage a small supermarket in your locality, this video is for you. In today's session, I'll show you how a complete supermarket can be set up and managed in Odoo 19 using DearERP, our in-house Odoo AI Copilot. Instead of manually configuring products, customers, sales, inventory, and reports, I'll use DearERP to execute the entire supermarket workflow automatically with a single prompt. Within the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'll walk you through the results created by DearERP and show how everything appears inside Odoo, from products and customers to sales, stock, and reports. This mirrors how a real supermarket works, but in a fully digital and automated way. So let's get started and see how DearERP builds and runs a supermarket inside Odoo 19. So if you understand this process completely, when a customer visits the supermarket or store, from customer in time to out time, whatever the process error or operations will be happen, we have taken all those operations, all those workflow and make the prompt accordingly. So in a just overview, I'm going through with this prompt. Business scenario I have mentioned here, then product setup and whatever the configurations would be there, and then I have customer setup also, like create a customer name Anil, and then I have to move into the delivery process. Next to delivery process, before that quotation and sale order also, and then invoicing and payment, and then inventory impact. So all these operations, purchase flow, report and analytics. So after this prompt, we will go through each and every step by checking in the Odoo. Now I'll give this prompt to DearERP. Let's wait for some time. It is in write mode, then execution happen here. So I have to simply click on this button. Let's wait for some time. Outstanding viewers, now our supermarket ERP setup is fully and completely ready. So it is given the summary, whatever the configure and executed the modules and operations. So we will check everything. We will go through everything step by step. So first thing what we have to do here, we have to check the products. So simply I'll click on open Odoo here. Then our system Odoo is will get displayed. So I have entered the credentials. Now I'm on the dashboard. So I'm moving into the sales. In sales there is product. Okay. So we have to check what products. Basmati rice and Parle-G biscuit, Fortune sunflower, everything, right? So we are getting everything, Parle-G rice, and nice. So I'll simply click on specific one product here. So Parle-G biscuit here. So we have seen on hand quantity also there. Currently it is 227 units available, and product type and everything whatever we have requested regarding the sales price and cost price also available, and unit of measures also, it is units, so it is also available. And then category, goods, grocery goods and snacks and biscuits, this category. Then all products are ready and created and configured by DearERP. So I'm just reviewing how everything is structured, and this is done. Okay, so next what I have to do, next I have to check the customer verification also. So in sales only there is customers available. So we'll see how many customers are created. So there is 2 customers, one Anil Kumar is created, this one. Okay, so we can easily get to know and get to check here. Anil Kumar billing, Anil Kumar home delivery, and other details also mentioned there. Boom guys. And in this breadcrumbs, whatever the previous sales, purchases, or invoices are generated, all these things we get to see here. So currently one sale is there, so that's the reason it is get highlighted in this breadcrumb. Okay. So next, what we have to check next, quotation and sales order also. So for quotation and sales order, I'm simply moving into the quotation. Nice, quotation also getting created. If you are looking closely on all this operation, if you just practice this one manually, like you only creating by moving, navigating to different screens and different using the different flows, so it will take time. I have given this prompt and in few minutes only everything get created. No need any manual interruption in this scenario. Okay, so let's see and go through the invoice as well. So whatever the products are requested here, it is added. Okay, even I'm creating the video, this also taken few minutes only. I don't need to spend hours and hours or creating a messy notes in just manual interruption that doesn't required after execution of DearERP. Okay, so in quotation there is products, quantities, prices. If you can check the quantity also, like if I required this item is 2 times or this one is 5 times and Parle-G biscuit is 3 times, it is actually calculated the price based on that as well. Unit price 450, when I required to, then it is moved to the $900. So like this we can easily get all these things. Okay, then we have to check the invoice and payment also. In sale order only there is invoice, right? So I'm moving, creating the invoice. Okay, so invoice is already ready. Okay, so what I have to do, simple, I need to confirm this invoice. I don't need to add anything. So I confirm this, then register for the payment. So I have to move into the payment, then create payment. Nice, amazing guys, payment also done. So immediate payment scenarios common in supermarket. Okay, and next process, what I have to check, I have to move into the delivery process. For delivery, I have to move sale order and then check delivery process. From this branch of inventory, it is currently moving, and then all these whatever we have requested, simply it is in done process. Status is done, means everything is perfect. There is written possibility also there. Okay, so if there written possibility, then I have to simply click on written only. Then I have to check the inventory. Okay, so why we need to check the inventory? Because whatever things are getting decreased in our inventory, all has to show accordingly and the data has to reflect accordingly. Okay, so in inventory there is reporting, in reporting there is stock. You all see the whatever the products currently we are holding in our system, these only. Okay, so in the inventory you can check and track any product here. So if you wanted to check the history, like how many times it was purchased and how many times it is out from the inventory, so all these things you get to know here. Okay, then I have to check the purchase flow as well. So I'm moving into the purchase. In purchase there is orders. So simply what I have to do here, I have to move into the purchase orders. First one I am opening. Nice. So whatever the purchase items, that also correctly reflecting and executed through the DearERP. Okay, so whenever stock is low, purchasing is just a few clicks part, nothing more. Then I have to move into the reports and analytics as well. For this, I have to again move into the sales only. In sales, there is reporting. Okay, so we can check the bar chart and everything. So currently I'm not handling that much data, so that's the reason. Order quantity, if you just seen the highlight, whatever highlighted here, February 2026, 122 items only. So there is not available that much data, hence it is not getting up here so much. Okay, so actually these reports help business owners take decision based on data, not just assumptions. So that's how a complete supermarket workflow can be created and managed inside Odoo 19 using DearERP. As we have seen, with just a single intelligent prompt, DearERP can set up products, customers, sales, inventory, payments, and report, saving hours of manual configuration. Instead of spending time on repetitive setup, you can focus more on understanding your business and making better decisions, while Tier ERP handles the heavy lifting inside Odoo. This was a basic overview. Odoo has many advanced features and Dear ERP can automate even more complex business workflows. If you would like a detailed or advanced video, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to create one for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you found this helpful, I'll be back with another video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.